So are you ready to capture your epic gaming moments effortlessly on your Mac or your iPad? Well, stay tuned as I walk you through how to set up brand new Elgato Game Capture Neo. What's going on, you wonderful people? I'm Brandon and welcome to Crayton TV. Today's video, you're going to learn how to use the brand new Elgato Game Capture Neo on your MacBook to set up with Streamlabs or OBS, and on your iPad to set up with Elgato's new capture app, Elgato Capture. Here we go. We got Game Capture Neo, Elgato's new capture card. Check it out. Elgato's going all eco-friendly, all cardboard. The greatness starts now. Here we go. We got the capture card right here. It's in the unboxing. Go to the side, and you also get your right there 3.0 5 gigabytes USB-C to USB-A cable. I think that's pretty much it that you get in the box. So here we go. Let's check out the capture card. It's small. Yikes. Very tiny. Get it out of this paperwork. This is Game Capture Neo. HDMI out, USB-C, HDMI in. Pretty good. There's no analog audio for this. This video is not being sponsored at all, but Elgato did reach out and send me the product. So thank you, Elgato, for sending me the product of the Elgato Game Capture Neo. So if you are using PlayStation like I am, make sure you want to go over to the PlayStation settings and disable HDCP. You will not get no video playback. You want to go over to your settings, go down to System, go down to HDMI, and make sure that HDCP is disabled. You want to take your HDMI that's plugged into your console and plug that into the HDMI in port that's right here. HDMI in. Then you want to take your other HDMI cable that's plugged into your monitor, plug that into your HDMI out port. Look, something like that. They did give you a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is 3.0 5 gigahertz, but me, I'm still gonna rock with the Godspin USB cable because I'm using a MacBook. I'm gonna take the other end, I'm gonna plug it into my MacBook. So you wanna come over here to your Mac, open up Streamlabs desktop and walk you through this step by step. The last video we did the Elgato 4KX. So now we're doing the Game Capture Neo. All plug and play. You really don't need software. This does work with tons of streaming apps such as OBS, StreamYard, QuickTime, and many more. Right now, this is my old scene from the 4KX, but we're gonna create a new one. We got a new scene. I'm gonna name it to Game Capture Neo. You wanna come over to sources right here to the right of it. Open up sources. You want to add a video capture device, add source. Click down here. You want to add a new one instead. If you already haven't done this already, you should just be able to add source. Name it to what you want it to be. I'm going to name it Game Capture Neo. Hit add source. Choose from the drop down menu. See how it says Game Capture Neo right here. Deselect the preset. Come over here. 1920 by 1080, 60 FPS. Leave everything else same as auto. Enable audio if supported by device. You can check. Now, if you want to resize this, the fastest way I do is just right click, transform, fit the screen. There it is right there. Now you're probably wondering, why is there no audio coming through? Want to go back down to sources, add a video input device. Add source, add a new one. I like to label everything the same. You can name it to whatever you want to, but I just put Game Capture Neo. Now you want to go over here to device. It does say you have to drop down menu, hit Game Capture Neo. I like to set mine to monitor and output. Yeah, as you see, there's the audio. You always want to keep your levels just as they're growing into the green. You don't want it so high where it hits the red. So I normally dial this back some just so it's not over peaking. And then if my mic was set up, you'll see the mic one coming in at the top. So as you can see, that's how you set it up using Streamlabs desktop on a macOS. Now, if you want to set it up on OBS, it's all the same steps. Just follow what I just did. You can do it for StreamYard, QuickTime, many other streaming apps. But now, let me show you how to use it with an iPad using Elgato's new iPad app, Elgato Capture. Just before we get to that iPad setup, I know you're probably wondering, what is Game Capture Neo compatible with? Is it compatible with my setup? Well, here, let me show you. Will I need it? Because remember, this is a budget-friendly capture card. Plug and play, works right out of the box, and it doesn't break the bank for the budget. It's only $120. Not bad for a capture card for this size and the power that it can push out. We'll go to the Neo products. Go to Game Capture Neo. And as you can see, it is out. You can buy it at Target, but the Game Capture Neo is $119.99. So you can use it anywhere, but system requirements. Here you go. So if you're using Mac, here you go. You need macOS 12, iPadOS 17 or newer, connectivity, USB 3.0 port, CPU, Apple M1, or Intel quad core or better. So there's your system requirement. If you're using a Windows, I'll show you those right here. Here's Windows 10, connectivity, all these right here. So these are your system requirements. So if you fall into these subcategories, then you should be fine to use Game Capture Neo. It is plug and play.
The setup process is the same.
As you can see, that's how you know you have power right there when it's on. You see the little indicator light that it lights up white. You should be working out, everything else should be working out fine. So you want to go to your app store, and I'm using StageMatter, by the way. Type in Elgato Capture. Here it is right here. Full screen for you guys. Elgato's new capture app. Record your Elgato device. This does work with the HD60X, Game Capture Neo, 4KX. You can read through this. What devices is it compatible with? Here it is right here. This is just an iPad only app. So HD60X, HD60S Plus. These are all the devices that it works with. And it's compatible with all these iPads that run iOS 17 or later. So just go ahead and pause it. I'll go through it slowly. You got iPad. You should see one of your iPads on this list. You want to open it up. Open it up here. So here we are right now with the Elgato Capture app. I'm going to show you how to set up all this. So this is first time me opening it up. I never used it at all. When you first open it up, it's going to ask you this. You want to hit continue, hit allow. Capture would like to access your microphone. You hit allow, like to access your photos, hit allow. And it's going to tell you your video input. Elgato Game Capture Neo should have a check mark with your device is compatible, what I just showed you with. You can change the setup later. Hit next. So you can also set up your audio input. Right now, we're just going to use the Game Capture Neo. But if you did run a dongle through your iPad, since this is a USB-C version, if you did run a dongle through it, you can use the iPad microphone or a separate microphone. But right now, we'll just leave it to Game Capture Neo. And next is you're in control, recording, snapshots, full screen, stuff like that. And read this as you want. Getting started. Here is Elgato Game Capture app. Is my PlayStation still on? Oh, there you go. No monitor at all. I can run right off this if I really wanted to play and just play from here, with Game Capture Neo. So what do we have here? So you got your video feed. So then it's 1080p, 60 FPS, full HD. You can change it. Here's your format. You can run, here's what you can run. Capture Neo. This does work with the 4KX. HD60X, HD60S Plus. Let you know your audio that you have set up right here, where your audio is, or you can pass it through your speakers if you want to. You got recordings. So right down there at the bottom, you have your recordings. You have snapshots. Here's your record button, camera, if you want to run FPS. So right now, I'll show you, but my audio is working because I have my, So if I put it through here, you can see. So if I wanted to recapture gameplay, you will see the audio is, me seems like the audio kind of loud. Probably have to adjust the sound some other way, but as you can see, it works, which is pretty cool. So, you can play. Now you're trying to say, let's see how much latency it is. So watch the screen. If I tap, oh, this is clean. Like the is, can't hear it, but if you have some headphones in or, your AirPods plugged into it, you can probably hear the audio coming through, play little games. But yeah, there it is. There's a full setup right there. So let me know if you want to see a full detail running with me just using the Elgato Capture app, using the Game Capture Neo or the 4KX capture card or the HD60S Plus capture card. I will do all three. So if you want to see a full setup review video of me running this off an iPad, let me know in the comment section down below. So here we go right now, the Elgato Capture app that's made for iPads. So I'm showing you all your supported devices that work with this app. You got Game Capture Neo, Facecam Neo, Facecam MK2, 4KX, HD60X, Cam Link 4K, HD60S Plus, Facecam Pro, and Facecam. So your top left corner, you got your connected devices. When you have one connected, your audio is right next to that. As you can see, there's the video when you have something plugged in. Top right corner, you have your settings where you can set up your appearance, your record locations, your snapshots, where you want to send them to either your camera roll or SSD drive or your Apple files. You also get your recordings, bottom left corner. It tells you how many gigabytes is available, snapshots, how many gigabytes available, your recording, your camera, and you have your audio meters off to the right. So what do you think? Game Capture Neo? Pretty awesome, right? Plug and play device, not budget friendly, doesn't break the bank, only $120. You can purchase it in the link description down below, and you can buy it at your local Target. That's pretty awesome. What do you think about Elgato's new app, Elgato Capture, that works for the iPad? That app seemed pretty great. I can't wait to test it out on more stuff and see what I can really do, because I can get some gameplay and then just bring it over to the MacBook edit. Oh yeah, so we're gonna be testing out some more features on that Elgato Capture app for the iPad. We're using it with the Game Capture Neo, 4KX, HD60X Plus. Just seeing the quality, testing out the videos, and see how well that it works. So you let me know, which setup do you prefer? Using the MacBook, where you can use OBS, Streamlabs, StreamYard, QuickTime, anything, or using the iPad for Elgato Capture. So let me know in the comment section down below, which method do you prefer? If you want to be able to purchase these, check the links description box down below so you can be able to get your capture card and start streaming effortlessly. Pretty awesome. Elgato Capture Neo, I'm definitely going to be checking that out. So also let me know in the comment section down below what you would like to see. So this is just a setup video, no gameplay in this video at all. Let me know what you think about this video. If you enjoyed this whole video, like this video, subscribe if you're new. Thank you for 3,500 subscribers. Let's get our new milestone, 4,000, but 3,500. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. You can check out this video right here of how to set up the Elgato 4KX on your MacBook. If you want to watch that video right here, check that video right here. Other than that, thanks for watching. God bless, and I'm signing out here. Peace.